it's Liliana from the psARTs team, and today I am going to be leading you in a to-go project based on the artwork of Helen Frankenthaler. Helen Frankenthaler was born in 1928 in New York. She was known as an abstract expressionist painter and really was known to be a champion of the color field style of painting. She would pour paint onto untreated canvases, which would create movement and was intended to evoke emotion in the viewer of the painting. So today we are going to use her color field style of painting as inspiration, and we are going to be making coasters. So to get started, you are only going to need a few materials. You are going to need a ceramic tile. You will also need some Sharpie markers, and you will need a eyedropper. This is filled with rubbing alcohol, so you want to make sure to keep it away from the kiddos, and if they are using it, just make sure that you're supervising. So let's get started. This is my final project. Sorry, the light is kind of bright here. Oh, there you can see it better. I really like the movement it creates. I think it was fun to play around with, inserting the rubbing alcohol in different places and just seeing how that created movement within the color pigment. This is the one that I did earlier. So there is so many creative options here. You could just do it monochromatically using one color. You could, go above and use more than the 3 colors. Really, there are endless possibilities with this project. I will say a few notes. You want to let your coaster dry completely. And then if you aren't happy with it in total, you can start adding in some more rubbing alcohol. And then to finalize the project, if you have at home, you can spray it with hairspray, and that will really set the pigment in place. Other than that, the only other note I have is that when you are applying the rubbing alcohol to your tile or to your coaster, you really want to have a piece of paper or paper towel just to make sure that when the pigment drips, it doesn't get on or stain any surfaces like your table or your counter. Other than that, I think this was really fun and exciting, and it was fun to think about Helen Frankenthaler and to use her as inspiration for today's coaster project. So always remember that you have the freedom to imagine and the power to create. Enjoy!